On December 28, 2025, police were notified by several individuals who observed a man causing a disturbance. The suspect was screaming at another male who was playing music and demanded that he stop. He then continued yelling, got into the male's face, and began kicking the individual's property. The incident was witnessed by multiple bystanders who alerted the police.
How we doing? You step out? You step out for me?
You're good.
You good?
What's really going on?
Okay, I don't.
We're trying to figure out.
Are you able to step out this way? Just we want the door closed. That's all. Give us.
What's really going on?
Can you step out here?
Can I? Yes, I can.
I'm asking you because I don't know what's in your room, and for my safety, just step out here. That's what I'm asking.
I mean, you knocked on my door.
Right. I just want to talk to you. Can you step out here for my safety too? Because I don't know what's in that
You
room.
talk from me here.
I prefer you step out
I
here.
prefer to talk from here.
Okay.
What's up? What's good? Are you gonna shoot somebody?
All right.
Hands up! Don't shoot.
All right. Was there some kind of issue going on over there?
No, there's a disturbance outside. It keeps on.
Okay. Did you have an issue with somebody?
No, I came up with somebody and asked them to stop playing their
Okay.
guitar at fucking like they're.
Can you give me a favor in the future then? We're the police. We'll handle that because you.
Well, then go handle that
Then you-
shit.
then we can have a
conversation. Where you been then? Where
Well,
you been?
listen, we're not doing that. I'm trying to get.
Are we? Are we?
Well, so
Is it a problem when I make it a problem?
you're making a problem right now, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm simply having a
Where you
conversation.
been then? Where you been?
Doing
then?
my job.
If I have to make it a problem, where you been?
Listen, what are you getting all worked up about?
What are you talking about?
Because you.
Huh? Honda? I drive a Mercedes. What do you want from me, bro? What the fuck you doing?
What does that have to do with anything?
Exactly. What are you stopping me in my door then?
Because you caused a disturbance and people flagged us down and said you created a disturbance.
I asked that dude to stop fucking playing his guitar.
Okay.
Loud as fuck.
So like I said, then say something else and we'll go address it. Instead of you addressing
then
it.
go ahead then. Get on your duty.
Okay.
Get on your fucking duty then, bro.
Alright.
It won't be my job then.
Hey, what's your name, man?
Jess. It's Peter Parker. It's Peter Parker.
Okay, listen, we're conducting an investigation. You don't have a constitutional right to hide your identity from the police.
You can't tell me my
Actually,
constitutional rights.
Actually, I can. I just did.
Okay.
You
What's your
not-
badge number?
we
What's
don't
your
have
body
badge
information?
numbers. We don't have badge
You
numbers.
don't. That's not a badge right there.
It is. Is there a
Sergeant.
number on it? Do you see a number on it?
Hey, hold on a second. Let me write it over.
Stay out here. Stay out here.
I'll leave.
Stay out here. Stay out here.
Stop touching me,
Stay
bro.
out. Stay out. Stay out here.
Yeah.
Stop.
No.
Why are you touching me?
Because
Because I don't know what's in there, all right? And you're not being cooperative, all right? So what's your information?
Am I being detained?
Yes.
100%
I'm gonna invoke my Fourth and Fifth Amendment right.
what are your Fourth and Fifth Amendment right? How about that?
Right to remain silent, not to accuse myself.
Okay, I'm not asking
Well,
you.
that's a fifth.
I'm not asking you accusatory questions. I'm asking your name, what you're required to identify yourself.
I just locked myself out. Thank you very much, officers.
Okay, I'm sure
So
the
you
front
may
desk.
be helpful for you. I cannot.
Well, I asked you nicely to step out, and then you wanted to go back in, and for my
wanna
safety, I
get
told
my-
you not to.
I want to get my phone to fucking record this
Everything's
shit.
being recorded.
My body camera's on, sir.
Is it?
Yes.
Are they
sir.
on? Are they on?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, the red light. Okay.
Okay, how about just giving me your name? That'd be great.
Jess.
Like Jess, Jess? Is that that's your full name? First name? Okay. Last name? Do you have a last name? You realize you're required to give this
I'm looking
information.
at my Fifth Amendment right.
No, I'm not asking you
That
questions.
doesn't
That's
apply.
not apply. You are required by
My
law.
constitutional rights
It doesn't
apply,
apply.
It doesn't apply to-
everywhere. Fuck that bullshit.
Do you really feel like going to jail tonight?
For what?
Well, right now you're causing a disturbance inside this hallway of the hotel.
You pulled me out.
For my safety.
Exactly.
Shit.
You were alleged to have a weapon. That's why I pulled you out.
Alleged of
Yeah.
what?
You had a weapon.
You want to search me? Go ahead. Go ahead.
You giving me consent to search it?
I can't give you consent to search because I ain't got shit because I was trying to grab my phone. But you gotta fucking rip me out of my fucking room, right?
Pretty sure the front desk will be able to
Okay.
get you back down.
I'm sure they will.
Yeah.
Jess, look,
I'm sure my lawyer will fucking take care of this shit.
that's fine. Jess, what's your last name?
Parker.
Okay, you know I'm gonna run this, right? And if you give me any
I don't give a fuck, bro.
if you give me any information that's not accurate, I will arrest you and you're gonna go to jail.
For what?
For giving me false information. You can't do that. So is your last name Parker? Your one opportunity.
Guess what? Go ahead and arrest me, bro.
I'm asking you for your name. I don't want to arrest you.
I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right.
But you're refusing to give me your information. Yes or no? What is your last name?
Am I being detained?
Yes. You're about to be arrested if you don't give me your name. What is your last name? I don't want to arrest you. You want to go back? Do you want to go back in your room and go to sleep?
I wouldn't.
Okay. So here's what we can do.
Rip me out that
Hold on.
bitch.
Stop.
Rip me out that motherfucker.
Here's what we're gonna do.
So I'm supposed to speak
We'll make
to
this.
your friend?
I'm gonna. No,
You're
I'm
my buddy all of a sudden?
No, I'm not your friend.
Fuck that shit.
I'm not
I
your
ain't
friend.
your friend, bro.
Right, correct. I'm not.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna make it
So-
simple for you. All I need is your
Fifth Amendment
information.
right.
All I
Fifth
need is your
Amendment right.
information,
I
and
invoke
I'll get the
my
person
fifth.
from down
I
there.
invoke the fifth.
Okay, you're refusing to give me your name because you're gonna go to jail if you continue this.
What did I do?
You're
Under
refusing to
what?
give us
Under what?
Obstruction. You're not giving us.
Obstruction.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a constitutional right.
No, it's not.
Not
Okay,
okay.
yeah.
Listen.
It's not an investigation.
It's real simple. What is your name? Last
I played the
name.
fifth. I played the
That's fine.
fifth.
No problem, dude. No problem. No problem.
Jesse Long.
Nope. Too late. Nah, man. You gotta get up. Stop moving.
Stop fighting me, bro.
Walk out this way.
Assholes, bro.
Just too long.
What's your date of birth?
Yeah, I'm taking my jail if I can figure it
Well, I
out.
still have to identify it, so it's either you can go in as somebody
Go
with.
Mr. John Doe and you won't get a bond.
Yeah.
Damn. Relax, dude. Quit pushing me, bro.
Nobody's pushing you.
Like, he's late.
I'm holding on to you.
That's some bullshit, bro. No, God. You
Sure.
Thank God for all those fucking drug dealers and fucking traffickers and shit that you have something to do for.
Dude, this is your fault, not ours. All you had to do is provide your information.
I gave you more than enough opportunity to get
That's all you had to do.
You could have went back in your room, went to sleep, and been done.
Well,
Not now.
that's a wrap.
It is a
Fine.
Is it being a violent cruiser?
No sweat off arson.
I'm not curtains in my hand anymore, right?
I do not know.
Actually, post it. Can you try to obtain the information from him since he doesn't want it? If you sure. If you agree.
We could stay 10-12. You want to get your cruiser? We could stay 10-12.
Yeah, that's fine. You want it? Well, sure.
He was charged with disorderly conduct, providing a false name, and obstruction.